Hello everybody, my name is Yuri and I'm CTO and co-founder at company AcuPower, and today I'm proud to present to you our beta version still of chat, AcuChat, and how it look like. Once you have our customization published, you will see this nice guy, and it will be available on all Acumatica pages. For example, I'm opening right now sales orders page, and you see it is available. I'm open sales orders page, it is still available. So it will be available through all Acumatica, regardless whether it is new UI or old UI. But that's not all. That's not all of its benefits. When you click on this bot, let me close it one more time. When you click on it, you will get pop-up window, and here you can ask question. And this can be question about anything you have inside of your Acumatica. For example, we have this customer Westin Gallery Houston, and let's say for whatever reason I've forgotten in which city this guy is located. So I can click on this Westin Gal and I will see it. But let's say I'm clicking here and I'm typing here, hi, in which city is located. I click enter, and what's going on? As you can see here, we have processing. What basically happens? We have analysis of database with help of ChatGPT, and it is analysis of Acumatica database, and you can see what kind of search going on. So question, hi, in which city Westin Gallery Houston is located? And here we see to find the city location of this guy, we need to query the customer table, joining it with the background table to obtain this. Next, data queries. Step 1, retrieve the city where Westin Gallery Houston is located. And as you can see here, ChatGPT created not very good query. What it does, it tries another SQL query, no data returned, step 3, step 4, view SQL query, city state, boom. And we have view SQL query. So this was final SQL query which was generated, and here we can see customer city Fairless Hills. Let's open this guy to make sure. Patience is with you, especially if you demonstrate while recording. But while it loads, so we will check in which we will see correctness, Fairless Hills. You can see, and city Fairless Hills. And yeah, you can, as was mentioned, all Acumatica forms get this guy. And you can see what kind of SQL query was generated, retrieve the city, and so on. So final outcome, we have Fairless Hills, Pennsylvania. Let me show you another approach. Let's say I want to know, give me top 20 products sold in the first quarter of 2025, and give information on sold quantity, profit margin, and turnover. I click on enter, and you will see what kind of process of thinking happening. So generating SQL plan for AI. And yeah, it will require a bit of patience. And while it loads, like this, I want to mention that this query is a bit more complicated. So to find the top 20 products sold in the first quarter 2025, the approach to first identify sales quantities, calculate profit margin using sales prices, costs, and compute turnover from invoices. Data queries. Step number 1, retrieve top products sold in terms of quantity during first quarter. And here we see ChatGPT somehow is not very good with understanding of MS SQL. It used wrong element. So let me get back. You can see process of thinking, results 12 rows. Here it shows some intermediary data. Then it generates something. Then again generates something, again generates something. Then we see a bit more analysis happening, This is now kind of raw results. And if it looks disappointing, no worry. Once search will be finished, it will look much nicer. For now, you can just see what's going on. So you can see that data is not... Here you can see output results, 12 rows. You can see those details. They are nicely formatted, and you can see production code, product description, total sold quantity, profit margin, turnover. Quite impressive. Then you can see another SQL query for this. A bit more analysis, and assumption. Data is based on the latest of 3 consistent query results. But as you can see here, we have a nice button, export to Excel. When I click export to Excel, this Excel is downloaded. And let me open this Excel file as well. This guy. And here you can see 12 rows, which you can use. And you may ask, why do we have those rows? This is kind of bonus for you to see. This is kind of bonus, what kind of data was got from Acumatica during making those steps. So again, I'm very proud of that. If you want to be beta tester, let me know. Again, want to mention, this is not yet for Acumatica production instance. This is for beta testers. Thanks, and looking forward for hearing from you.